इंटीग्रेशन प्रोसेस, जो आपकी कल्चरल प्रैक्टिसेस हैं, जो रिचुअल प्रैक्टिसेस हैं, वो आपको परमिशन मिलता है कि आप उसको अपने प्राइवेट लाइफ में उसको प्रैक्टिस करें. बट इन द public life, you will actually uphold the dominant ideology, the state ideology, in order to bring unity, in society and give strength. So when I am saying this, a plane is passing through. So anyways, okay. So when I am saying integrated, so tribes have also been integrated. So tribes have also been integrated in the mainstream society, and they are also being isolated. Why isolated? Because it is said that the tribes have specific characteristics, so they should be isolated, they should be preserved. So government of India takes beautiful measures. They integrate also, they isolate also. So they showcase the cultural practices of tribes, and yet they give preference to tribal people to maintain their ethnic identity. Now when I come to identity, tribal identity, it is very important to understand here that with the either you say with exploitation or either you say with Sanskritization and acculturation practices, the tribes are also being benefited by the process of education. And the process of education and the exposure to mainstream society has given rise to educated middle class in tribes. Right? It's a very beautiful term. Educated middle class in tribes. So when I say educated middle class in tribes, that with the benefit of the reservation also, the tribal people are getting into affluent services. Now they are also benefiting from the various governmental measures, and they are also now arousing or becoming conscious of their own rights, and they are also, those who are benefited with this practice, they are also letting their other members know about the governmental policies. Okay, now this was the tribal identity. Now yet another issue which is very important here, the issue of tribal development and the issue of national development, which we all have to understand here. The issue of tribal development and national development, we all know that the capital intensive motive of development has been detrimental, has been exploitative for the forest dwellers, for the primitive tribal people. Why? Because for the establishment of industry and for the capital intensive industries, the forest and forest produce has been exploited, and the forest dwellers have been displaced, or the tribes are displaced from their place, and they are not been compensated well. Even the independent India, they have actually pursued the policies of national development, and in that course many tribals have been affected. And also with the process of liberalization and globalization, many multinational companies have entered into Indian market, which has actually acquired the land right in the forest area. So this is actually, these all have a devastated effect on tribal people, because they have not been compensated well. Their land rights have been snatched. And you are well aware with the movement which the Medha Patekar has taken out, the Narmada Bachao movement, or the coal mines which are being the mafias of coal mines have actually exploiting the tribal people for their labor, and also their land rights they are snatching away. But on the other hand, I would say that India giving space to breathe to everybody, and it actually identifies and wants to preserve ethnic identity, and that is why it sails with the example of unity in diversity. So India, or our state, has created on the basis of ethnic identity, language and ethnic identity, the 3 states have been created or been carved out from the already existent states, the state of Chhattisgarh, the state of Uttarakhand, and the state of Jharkhand, which is an excellent example of a state giving importance to ethnic and cultural identity. So with this I end. You just go through this chapter. It has been beautifully written. It's not the factual one which you have to get hold of it. You have to understand the conceptual part of it, that how we understand tribe and how the tribe today are facing various issues and problems, and what we at our own level can do for their betterment. Thank you all. See you in another video.
Bye bye.
Take care.